Are you ready for a bumpy ride? Because the adventure we're about to take you on is not just about small mistakes. It's made entirely of them. Let's start with our first incident. The black car, driving in its own lane, had no idea the gray 4x4 was completely clueless about traffic rules. Luckily, no one was injured in this crash.
You don't think so?
I don't think so.
Whoa.
I think Dane's gonna go down with
my
the ship
God.
because
No way.
Dane is just.
I don't think. Oh my God. What the fuck? You almost died!
If you were in this situation, do you think you could have predicted it before it happened?
One day.
I did. Shit.
In moving traffic, even a moment of distraction can cost you your life. For example, if this guy had been on his phone for just 5 seconds, he would most likely have ended up in an accident.
What the fuck?
Some drivers don't even bother to check their mirrors. Is a car coming from the right? Who actually has the right of way on this road? To them, these questions are just theoretical. If you don't want to end up in tragicomic situations like this, you need to be more cautious than other drivers. And always remember, assume everyone else is an idiot who can make a mistake at any moment. Drivers need to be extra careful in rainy weather. Besides the slippery roads, distraction levels also tend to be higher. Our advice? Make an effort to drive slower.
Wait.
This taxi driver most likely fell asleep at the wheel, because there's really no other explanation for what he did. Hopefully, he didn't have a passenger and didn't traumatize someone for life. Now, let's play a little game. It's called What Do You Expect? Try to guess the unbelievable mistakes before they happen. If you're ready, let's begin. Number 1. This car is parked when it captures this moment. What do you expect? Didn't think you'd see that one coming. Number 2. Traffic is flowing normally. So, what do you expect? The red car wants to head toward Dayton, but it's not in the merging lane. Instead, it carelessly tries to cut across moving traffic. While some drivers notice and try to stop, boom. And just like that, it drives off as if nothing happened. Number 3. This person most likely came from the UK for a short visit. Number 4. Before I even ask the question, I should mention this footage is from India. So, what do you expect? Not all dangers in traffic come from bad drivers. Sometimes, it's bad bulls. And finally, number 5. Cars are waiting to make a right turn at a red light. What do you expect? Yes, for some drivers, red lights seem to be optional. I can almost hear you all saying, the oncoming car should have been the one to mess up. This truck driver most likely needs urgent help. After losing control, the driver veers out of his lane, off the road. And crashes into a building.
Oh God.
Oh shit. He's right there. Why is she doing
Get
that?
the fuck out. Look at that guy's running there too.
Oh, this is gonna be bad, man. This is gonna be bad.
These heroes notice a car stuck on the train tracks and rush to help.
Oh.
At the last moment, the driver manages to reverse and avoid a major accident unharmed.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hey, I see the KDP. Gotcha.
They saved that.
Finally, this vehicle is likely hit from behind, causing the driver to lose control, crash into the car in front, and roll over. Remember, speeding might save you at most 30 minutes, but it's never worth the risk. Instead, subscribe to our channel and enjoy the best days of your life. See you in the next video.